video flickering, double image, horizontal line. Do you have like this problem in your TV? Now you're watching we had done this kind of fault. We take pride in being the go-to shop for repairing electronic items. Our experienced technicians are skilled in repairing a wide range of devices, from smartphones to laptops, and more. We are confident in our expertise and offer reliable and efficient repairs for our valued customers. If you need electronic item repairs, visit our shop for professional service you can trust. Contact us today to schedule an appointment or drop by our shop at number 12 Mollyban Street, Colombo 11. Thank you for considering us as your trusted repair. Contact number 0769282098 or 0773300905.